Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 28 May 2018, 05 of hour, 44 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how are dinosaurs related to birds? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how are dinosaurs related to birds. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how are dinosaurs related to birds. The present scientific consensus is that birds are a group of theropod dinosaurs that originated during the Mesozoic era. A close relationship between birds and dinosaurs was first proposed in the 19th century after the discovery of the primitive bird Archaeopteryx in Germany. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.